Welcome back to the YouTube channel You Should Know. Here you will find various kinds of interesting and unique facts from all over life from various places in all parts of the world. Please continue to watch the video until the end. How do fish sleep? Here's the scientific explanation. Fish are just living creatures, they also need rest. You must have heard the question, how come the fish's eyes keep opening so hard, don't sleep? Just like other living things, fish actually sleep as a resting mechanism to recover energy after activities. However, every living creature does have a different way of sleeping. Bats, for example, fall asleep by hanging their legs up while their heads are at the bottom. Likewise with fish that have a unique way of sleeping. Reporting from various sources, here is an explanation for those of you who are curious about how fish sleep. 1. Fish eyes remain open even though they are fast asleep. In contrast to the definition of sleep practiced by humans, which when sleeping must close the eyelids, fish sleep with eyes that remain open. This may be what makes us not realize that fish are actually sleeping too. If you have pet fish in the aquarium, you can observe how the fish are sleeping. For example, when the fish is slow to respond when you provide food, it is likely that the fish is in a sleeping state. Or some fish choose to stay at the bottom of the aquarium when sleeping. 2. Some fish have to keep moving while sleeping so that oxygen can still get into the gills. Sharks are a type of fish that must keep moving even when they are sleeping. The goal, so that the flow of water is maintained towards the gills so that he still gets an adequate supply of oxygen. 3. Some fish hide behind rocks when sleeping to avoid predators. Small fish whose habitat is in coral reefs have a more organized way of sleeping. They prefer to sneak between the rocks when they want to sleep. The goal is that they can avoid predators when they are unconscious while sleeping. For a fish is a type of mammal that breathes with lungs, half of its brain remains active during sleep. A unique thing happens to mammalian fish, such as dolphins and whales, which breathe with lungs. They must periodically surface to the surface to obtain oxygen. Because of this, dolphins have a different sleep method called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, which means a semi-conscious sleep state. So dolphins sleep with half of the brain still active while the other half is resting. The next part then takes turns resting at intervals of 4 hours. If the right brain is sleeping, then the left eye is open, and vice versa. This semi-awake condition allows dolphins to breathe smoothly. Now you know if you are asked by your sister or friend about how fish sleep. Don't get the wrong answer again, okay?